previously on Ashe's Live Vlogs. Okay guys, so it's already done baking and it took about 17 minutes to cook, and I don't know if I'm gonna put it back in the oven because it hasn't really rose like really good. See that it's kind of flat like there, but I tasted it. It's really soft, but there are a couple of bits that are burnt. Hey guys, so I'm back. There is some technical difficulties, so I had to repeat this in the morning. So I have the batter over here, but it's more, and I've got a couple of these muffin, like the real ones, because Mom found them. So it's a little noisy because it's morning. So now I'm just gonna pour this in here. Okay, I just totally forgot I'm vlogging, but Mom helped me because they're a little short. We're just making three. A while ago, there's already one here because I thought it's gonna be too much. And Mom's scraping off from the other muffin. If you guys watched the teaser video, if you guys watched that, I was wearing different clothing because there was technical difficulties in that day, and I continued it today. Now, Mom's almost finished scraping that, and I don't know if it's gonna stand up like that because I'm scared that it might tip over. But I've doubled that. Looks like a flower. Ooh, Mom's taking photos.
"12 seconds later.
Sorry I was a little quiet a while ago because I'm watching an episode. Okay, so it's kind of done now. This is how it looks like. And yes, I'm not using the cupcake thing because we lost it, I think. Yeah, so we're gonna put this in the preheated oven. I mean, let's go. Okay. Now I wait. While waiting, you can always count the grains of salt in your salt container. You can also check your milk if it's already spoiled. You don't want to drink spoiled milk, do you? You can try eating some stuff that you've never seen in your refrigerator. You can also count how many magnets you have in your refrigerator. Too bad if you don't have magnets. And lastly, you can disinfect your refrigerator. And if your dog's too naughty, you can also disinfect it. Mom, how long has it been?
3 minutes maybe?
3 minutes. Okay, really, I don't know how long it has been, but I think it's I don't know. Right timing! No, like seriously, right timing. Oh my god! They look so good! Oh my god! Holy moly, they look so good! No kidding. I'm not sarcastic or I'm not acting. Stop. It's really good. Oh my gosh. It worked. Holy cream puffs. It worked. No. Dude. It worked. No, actually, I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. It's already on. I actually repeated this because the last time was a fail. I thought I added too much batter, but it wasn't enough. So I repeated it, and it actually worked. It's so healthy. It's so healthy. I don't know what went wrong, but the last one, it was burnt. It was so small, it was so short, and it was like that. It was. Your muffin holders worked. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it really worked. I need to have a montage of one of these. Holy moly, I can't believe it worked. So yeah, that's it for this vlog that you guys might have been waiting for. Because I think I faked out a lot of my viewers for the last video. But yeah. So I'm really happy. Oh my gosh. Is it? But I'm gonna take a montage for you guys because I'm so happy this worked.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys want to know what it tastes like, well, you should go to my page, and anywhere on the screen it will flash, and it's Ashe's Love Vlogs. It's my YouTube page, Facebook page I mean, and that's where I'm gonna post of what it tastes like. So you gotta go to my page, like it. You wanna? Not forcing you. I just got not that much viewers in the page because not really everyone looks at it, but yeah. Bye! Yeah, bye! Brother's still sleeping.